ladies and gentlemen, in the yellow jersey, Joel Parkinson. Along with the first place artwork, he also receives a beautiful ukulele from Joe Green over at Surf and...
So Joel, fantastic win today, mate. I just noticed over this year you've had a lot of focusing agents come along in your life, little moments. Can you give us a little rundown about that?
It has been a pretty up and down year, you know, emotionally, and I had to, you know, I cut my foot and I was out of action for 6 months, or I didn't surf for 3 months, and back I didn't compete for 6, and then I had a baby son too, so we had some joy, and then Andy passed, and it's, you know, it's kind of been one of those years where it's just one good thing, one bad thing. So I feel like it's all over, you know, the year's almost over, we get through it, and, you know, I feel like I'm trying to make amends of all good things that are, you know, that can happen from here till December anyway.
Well, that's beautiful, Joel, but I can really see it. What's it feel like on the wave right now? I can see you really, that's focused you at the moment.
Definitely, definitely. Always riding a wave is always one of those things where no matter what happens in your life or around your life, you still can ride a wave, you know? You can still forget everything and drop everything in life and ride a wave, I think.
Yeah, it's beautiful, and the Triple Crown coming up, you know, you're leading it right now, and there's just an elite bunch that have taken this. How are you feeling right now walking into that?
Good, considering, you know, the last few years I actually didn't make the final here. I had a semi or a quarter or something, and went on and been able to win it still. So to actually get a win here and going into Sunset's kind of one of my strengths, and then Pipe, you know, I've done well at 2 before, so, you know, it's definitely a good start here.
Hey, good luck, Joel. You're looking fantastic at the moment.
Thanks, Tommy. Thanks heaps, mate.